umbrellas, paraguas in Spanish, in Tagalog, payong. So kailangan to. It's needed during the rainy season, as well as to protect us from the sun. But look what happened last summer. After using it for less than 2 months, oh, it's a miracle. See, it's made in Japan, being sold at all SM outlets, costing almost 800 pesos. So it's made up of brittle materials. It breaks down. See? Very weak materials. This never happened before. Oh my. Wala pang storm, ha? And see what happened? What if there's a rain? And there's a storm, and you're using this, you surely get wet. See, it says made in Japan. Made in Japan. I thought it was made by China, not by Japan, and using very weak materials. This one turned out to be made also of very weak materials. How long did I use this? For 2 weeks. So, you cannot even open right now. Shy boy. So, buy these materials, these umbrellas at your own risk. Okay. Dan. So, we'll see what happened. Brittle materials, just like those made in Japan. Where is this made? Japan? Or locally? You cannot repair this anymore. So when I'm using it, look, stylish indeed.